I beg me una cover una ears. Okay, we don't finish. What's up, everyone? Good morning. It's your boy, the Crackhead. Wish you all a wonderful Monday. How many of you are they happy? Say Monday don't reach. I bet make we forget about Davido, Sophia, Imade, Matan, all these celebrities. Maybe those ones go make we go heaven. You see, a lot of una we be say una no believe say God exists. God just the look una. If God really exists, why are bad things happening? God just the look ona. I don't believe in God. God just the look ona. I do not think that there is someone called God. God just the look ona. If God really did, why in they allow make good people they suffer? God just the look ona. If God did, why blah 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 blah? The most patient entity for this our cosmoverse, multiverse, universe, now God. He just they keep quiet. They watch everything. What will they do? That sound we will have been listening to from the beginning. Nah, sound of black, what do they call them? Black hole. Yes. You know, say me, I know they work for NASA. Waiting at the report now, waiting I see from NASA. What you guys just listened to, the humming sound, was the sound from the black hole. Now NASA used their telescope and their video scope and whatever scope, hear that sound. And why they hear that sound? Two scientists don't discover, say, for up, say another body of water. The body of water where they up, even plenty past the body of water where they this our planet, times 3, 140 trillion. I don't know how they talk. Why they bring this news come? Because a lot of una no believe in the creation story of God. Una believe say this world formed as a result of Big Bang theory. Boom! But I won't show una. Say, waiting scientists they discover now, also they in rhyme with waiting the Bible. Brothers and sisters, let's open to the book of Genesis chapter 1. Yeah, where Genesis even they self. Ezekiel, Isaiah. No. It's supposed to be for beginning. Huh? Myself. Why are they zuzu like this now? Genesis chapter 1. I want to show now something. So Genesis chapter 1, the creation. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. That's King James Version. Other versions say God created the heavens and the earth. That's the heavens translated from the original Hebrew word. Heavens, no be heaven. Heavens and the earth. Verse 2, and the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, let there be light, and there was light, which happened to be the Big Bang theory. Confirmed. And God saw that the light, it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. Verse 5, and God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. Now, verse 6 is where I am heading to. And God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters. And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. Now, know what that mean? Let's say, for example, now water be this, So all this planet, cosmoverse, multiverse was covered in water. So God say, make the firmament appear, make it divide the waters from the water. So it means say now, as this water there, so the firmament divide them from the middle. So some waters they up, some waters they down. You understand? And that firmament now be these heavens where we see. So it means say some water where God been divide in the beginning, and some water fill they up. And some waters they down will make up our own planet. In fact, when I feel say I just dey talk this thing for fun. Make una watch as this person narrate this story of how two scientists discovered bodies of water in space.
An astronomical discovery that's out of this world. Scientists have found a massive reservoir of water floating in space, and it's a jaw-dropping 12 billion years old. That's right, this ancient cosmic lake is the oldest and largest body of water ever detected in the universe. The journey to this groundbreaking discovery took 3 years and the combined efforts of 2 dedicated teams of astronomers. Led by Matt Bradford from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California, the first team began their observations in 2008 using a powerful 33-foot telescope near the summit of Mauna Kea in Hawaii. They later confirmed their findings with radio dishes in the Inyo Mountains of Southern California. Meanwhile, a second team, led by Darius Liss from Caltech, used the Plateau de Bure interferometer in the French Alps to pinpoint this incredible body of water. And this isn't just any puddle, it's a mind-blowing 140 trillion times the amount of water in all the Earth's oceans combined. Located over 12 billion light-years away, this colossal water reservoir surrounds a supermassive black hole known as a quasar. Quasars are some of the most energetic and massive objects in the universe, and this one is no exception. Bradford's team describes the quasar's environment as incredibly unique, producing an enormous mass of water and showcasing that water has been present throughout the universe since its earliest times. This discovery is monumental because it's the first time astronomers have found water vapor this far back in the early universe. While there's water in the Milky Way, it's mostly frozen as ice. But around this distant quasar, the water is in the form of vapor bathing in X-rays and infrared radiation, making the gas unusually warm and dense.
Okay, may we stop here. Sure, I don't hear am now for ourselves. It coincides with what the Bible says in the book of Genesis chapter 1. So to those of una who no believe in the existence of God, this should give you a definite proof that God exists, because the Bible says that God created the heavens and the earth, and He divided the waters from the waters. So if He divide waters from waters, it means that some waters they up and some waters they down. After millions of years, now scientists can discover, say, waters they up, and the waters where they up even plenty past the waters where they down. Proof check. So if you know, believe in the existence of God, this, what is written in the Bible, and what this guy is narrating should be enough evidence that God exists. But anyways, that aside, on the 18th of July, 2024, which happens to be my birthday, don't worry, you shall have more exposition on this, as Elhanan Brownstein would educate us, would give us more insight about the creation, the world, man, and God. So if you will be on Facebook, tune in with us, 10:30 Israeli time, 8:30 Nigerian time, that's in the morning, 10:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. And join us live as Elhanan Brownstein educates us, exposes us to what was written in the book of Genesis chapter 1. It's your boy, the Crackhead. So once again, God is real. If you do not believe in Him, that one now your own wahala. As a man of God, my job is to show you from the Bible that whatever is written here, scientists are now discovering them. Bye.